What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. I will show you what we should expect within next 10 days and what deadlines do we have in our case. Then I will show you that Gary Gensler lied. He lied directly to the Congress members, and I will show you a very simple explanation of this fact. And before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It is the easiest way how we can push this case forward, how we can attract more attention to this problem, and eventually it will lead to the solution of our problem. So just hit the like button. And let's start with this tweet that was made just 10 hours ago. Meta News wrote, "It's time. Use hashtag FINRA fraud in all your posts this week. We need to get MMTLP and FINRA fraud trending again." And Meta News added this screenshot. Hashtag FINRA fraud. Everyone use hashtag FINRA fraud to spread awareness of MMTLP. FINRA halted MMTLP prior to MMTLP's record date. FINRA basically trapped shareholders' money, not allowing them to liquidate their money before the record date. This is manipulation by FINRA. By the way, FINRA board members is ran by hedge funds. And we are approaching to the major deadline. 1 year since the U3 halt was made, illegal U3 halt was made in case of MMTLP shares. And definitely, FINRA stated that they've done it in order to protect shareholders and in order to save retail investors' money. But they did completely opposite. They protected the wrongdoers. They protected hedge funds who had and who still have a short position in MMTLP and in NextBridge hydrocarbon shares. And they didn't do nothing. They haven't done anything in order to solve this problem. So let me show you the upcoming week and the deadlines for the upcoming 10 days. In just 3 days, we will have a FINRA response to appeal brief due. And it is the case of Orogrande and FINRA. And the results will be disclosed by Mark Basil, because it is his case and it is the case of his company, OTC Lawyers. Next one, December the 9th is the 1-year anniversary of MMTLP illegal U3 halt. And December 14 is the game changer in our case, in my opinion, because we will have to see the arguments from OTC markets to show why they don't want to disclose the market makers' names or broker dealers' names, or they have to disclose these names. And when they will do it, we will have another evidence who is a wrongdoer in our case, and we will have an opportunity to sue these wrongdoers, because they don't have an immunity. Only FINRA and SEC have an immunity, and that is why this might be a game changer in our case, because with this data we will have an official names of wrongdoers. So, and let me show you that Gary Gensler is lying. And Kristen Shaughnessy posted this tweet on September 13. And Anna Trades reposted this just recently. And Kristen wrote, "The emails about MMTLP between FINRA and SEC show otherwise, Gary Gensler." And Gary Gensler answered to Mike Cropper, and he said, "Under FINRA's rules, they sought a trading halt. They didn't seek the SEC's advice or permission on that. That is something they did." Gary Gensler. And let me show you that we know, because of the FOIA letters, we know that FINRA and SEC were in the closer relationships in terms of this case, and they tried to make some kind of appointment in order to solve this problem. And we know that this letter was written by Robert Cook, president and CEO of FINRA, and he wrote, We don't know who is the recipient of this letter, but Robert Cook wrote, "You may be aware already, but we have received a large number of complaints on social media and directly to FINRA related to a trade halt that we issued on Friday." And this is the pure evidence that FINRA and SEC were in close relationships in terms of this case. And this is the pure evidence that Gary Gensler lied to Mike Crapo when he made his statement back in September of this year. So let me show you another tweet that was made by RareDD, and 4 hours ago he wrote, "As a company in the stock market, if you plan to provide value to your shareholders, can potentially result in short position holders being forced to close. FINRA, the OCC or the SEC will likely be involved in making sure your plan doesn't come to fruition." And he also added this: "If a person that works for a regulator has a goal of getting a high-paying position at one of the firms he or she policies, it's in their best interest that firms continue to make ridiculous profits from the counterfeiting shares without ever having to settle." And he added these several screenshots of the documents. It is the fail to delivers information on several ticker symbols, and this information was made on March 31st, 2008. And here you can see the price of fail to delivers, and the price is ridiculous. One of the companies, SHLD, had back in the days $531.8 million in failed to delivered stocks. And the total number, for example, of these failed to delivers, Sirius Satellite Radio Incorporated, total failed to delivers is more than 19.9 million shares with a total amount of about $56.9 to $4 million. It is incredible numbers, and the list is huge. It is a real huge list of these companies, and this is the pure evidence that FINRA and SEC, they cover these wrongdoers who hold their short position, nakedly short position on these companies. And we know that a lot of C-level executives from authorities, they used to work in different hedge funds and banks. We know that Gary Gensler worked for Goldman Sachs for more than 16 years. And then he started to work for SEC. And for now, he is ahead of this commission, but he is stonewalling a lot of efforts that might be very important for retail community. And these efforts basically should help to have basically a fair market. And at the end of this video, I want to show you this tweet that was written by Corey Quick. And it was written in response to Christian Shaughnessy tweet in regards to the South Korea naked short ban. And Corey Quick wrote, "I guarantee you, every institution responsible for naked shorting is nervous. The interesting thing about this situation is it will very likely open a can of worms throughout the global markets. The investigation will expose all the naked shorting criminals. Just watch." And yes, that is why we don't have any breakthroughs on this field, and that is why if one breakthrough happens, we will have a huge tsunami wave that will demolish all the wrongdoers. And we have to do it together, and we have to fight together, and in order to achieve this goal, we have to unite. And to do it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a line in the comment section if you think my videos are valuable for the community. So, see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby,